Track 48 volts surface comes to complement the already existing trimless version, and it comes in two different heights. It is a low voltage track, so electrically speaking is very safe. It has a minimal design, which makes the product fit perfectly into the architecture. It has a wide product selection, and it's just one system with multiple lighting solutions. Just having a look to the details of the product, to the components, you really appreciate the high quality in all of them. The installation of the spotlights in the track is very simple. You don't need any tool to do it, just with your hands you are able to do it. This lighting system is quite versatile, and it really lets you to change the location of the spotlights in a very simple way.